Guys, in this video, we will discuss about the rank of the matrix. So, first we have to know that what is rank of the matrix. Actually, the rank of the matrix is the number of non-zero rows. Is defined by the number of non-zero rows is called the rank of a matrix. We know that there are two types of matrix, that is rectangular matrix and the square matrix. And the rectangular matrix means whose has the different number of columns and the different number of rows. And the square matrix where the number of rows and the number of columns are same. And the number of, here we can say that the rectangular matrix is of order m cross n and the square matrix is of order n. So now in this video, now we are going to discuss about that how to find the rank of a square matrix. Actually, we are able to find the dead value of a square matrix. So now, if A is a matrix of order n, then if data is not equal to 0, then we can say that the rank of A is equal to n. What is n here? The order of the matrix. But now the question is that if data is equal to 0, then how can we find the rank of a matrix? That is, if data is equal to 0, then the rank of the matrix A is less than the order of the matrix, since we consider the matrix A is of order n. So now, if we consider a matrix of order 3, then its rank either is 1 or 2. Now, the question is that what is the rank of a zero matrix? Zero matrix means whose all the elements of a matrix, zero matrix is a matrix whose all elements are 0. So here we consider one zero matrix and see here no non-zero rows, so we can see that the rank of this matrix is equal to 0. So now here we consider one matrix like A is equal to 1 2 0 0 1 2 2 1 2. See here the matrix is of order 3. So now we can say, now we can expand it along the first row, and if we along it, I think all of you know that how to find the rank, how to expand the matrix, how to expand the determinant, that is the data is equal to, if we expand it along the first row, we get data is equal to 8, which is not equal to 0. And see here, since the data is not equal to 0, we can say that the rank of the matrix A is equal to 3. And always remind one thing, that if the dead value for a square matrix, if the dead value is not equal to 0, then the rank of the matrix is equal to the order of the matrix. So now the question is that if data is equal to 0, then how can we find the rank of the matrix? So let's see. So here we consider one matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 2 0 1 0. So see here the matrix, the rank of the matrix, the square order of the matrix is 3. And now if we find the determinant, we will get, and we expand along it the first row, we will get the dead value is 0. So now its rank is less than of 3. That means its rank is either 1 or 2. That means if this is either 1 or 2, but remember one thing, the rank of the matrix is always unique. That means it's either 1 or 2, not simultaneously both 1 and 2. So let us try to find the rank of the matrix. And here to find the rank of this matrix, we will use the row operation. So what is now row operation? That means interchange of any two rows. That means we can interchange any two rows of these, any two rows from these three rows. Number 2, multiply by a scalar with any row. And here remember that the scalar is always a non-zero number. That means we can multiply by any scalar which is non-zero by any row. And number 3, that is the addition of a scalar multiple of one row to another row. That is Ri dash is equal to Ri plus Drj. Suppose here we can, now I will use these three or I will try to use these 3 row operation on the following example. That is we consider the matrix A is equal to 1 1 1 2 2 2 0 1 0, and so here I will give just the row operation, that is R2 dash is equal to R2 minus 2 R1. One thing remind that this row operation always may always differ to each other. So R2 dash is equal to R2 minus 2 R1. So what you get? 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. That means R2 dash means we want to change the second row, and now from here we want to change the first row, that is R1 dash is equal to R1 minus R3. So what we get? 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. So now if we go for the further, that there will be no change of this matrix. So here we stop our row operation and see here one row, this is the second row is 0 and first row and third row is non-zero. So here the number of non-zero rows is 2. So now we can say that the rank of the matrix A is 2. And always here when we use this type of the matrix, this type of operation, that is Ri dash is equal to Ri plus drg, that means when you want to change the R1 dash, then you cannot multiply any scalar with the R1, and similarly here you want to change R2, so you cannot multiply by any scalar with the R2. So remind this thing and see here the number of 0 rows is 1 and number of non-zero rows is 2. So here the rank of A is equal to 2. So I hope you understand that how to find the rank of a square matrix. So thank you.